Welcome to Gold Grillz Courses. The complete Gold Grillz training course is made by Gold Grillz UK. Here at Gold Grillz UK, we have been selling grills for about 10 years. So we have came across all sorts of designs, all sorts of problems, all sorts of techniques and equipment over these years. So we have developed the best techniques, which we are going to share with you in these training videos. So we have made two courses. One is for the traditional lost wax technique, where we are going to show you from start to finish how to make different types of grills. So from different single gold teeth, double ones, full gold grills like the drip designs, window designs with strips. I'm going to teach you how to make the opal ones, the framework for the ones with the diamonds. And then we have another course that is going to be the digital grills, where we are going to teach you how to wax up digitally using different software, scanners, 3D printers. I'm going to walk you through every single step. So if you're a dental technician, if you're a jeweler, if you're a complete beginner and you are looking for a place to start training online, these are the most complete courses for you. We will explain in detail every aspect of grills making. So starting from the molds, how to take the perfect molds, then we'll move on to waxing up, we will move on to model making, then to casting, how to cast, and then how to polish. We will give you the full material list, everything that you need to have a successful Gold Grillz business, a successful Gold Grillz polish. We will give you the equipment list and also all the best techniques so you can develop your own and start selling to your clients. I will give you a little insight on how the course looks after you made your purchase, what to expect. You will also be in contact with me for the whole length of the course. So if you run into any issues, or if you need further guidance, or if you need my assistance with any fix or maybe more tips, I'm more than happy to give them to you. You will have access to myself by email or via video calls as well. So here's the little video on what we expect and how the course portal looks after you make the purchase. Let me show you how the course interface looks. So after you made the purchase, you just need to log in to your account using your username and password. And this will take you to your account page where you can have access to all your courses. If you're enrolled in Gold Grillz Lost Wax Technique, it will take you straight to the course where you can see the course information. First of all, it will be the expiry date. Like I said, you'll have access for 1 year. All the materials list is going to be available in every single lesson and topic. As you progress through the course, you will have access to all the materials for every single lesson we have available. So let's say you want to go to see the polishing. So when you click on each lesson, is gonna open the main portal for your course where you can have the main lessons, and then you have topics related to that lesson. So as you can see, module 1, dental impressions, module 2, dental cast, module 3, lost wax technique with all its lessons. Then we have module 4 with the casting, where I will teach you everything there is about casting, and module 5, polishing the grills. If you want to play a video, it's easy, just start playing it. You will have access to captions as well, so you can generate captions if you want them or not. You will have access to the list of materials, like I said, for every single lesson. Also, we have made for every lesson a materials and tools lesson specifically to show you which ones are we using and why. As you progress through the course, through all the lessons, I'm going to give you an example. So as you progress, let's say you finish the lesson, you mark it as complete, we will take you to the next one. This is your progress bar. It's going to fill up as you go along, and you mark your lessons as complete. Once you get to 100%, you will be awarded with the certificate that you have completed the course. Even if you have completed the course, you will still have access to it. You can go back to any lessons, watch them anytime in any order you might want. I'm going to give you an example on how the lessons look. Let's say you want to see how to wax up a full grill. So you just navigate to that lesson, press play, and here we'll have detailed video on how to do a full wax up of a grill with all the tips, techniques, tools, materials, and equipment explained to you. Okay, so this will take you from start to finish, how to wax up a full grill, what to look for, exactly what you need to have the perfect fitting grill. Okay, I will show you another one where we polish the grill. for example, polishing the full grills, where we will take you step by step from the casting to the final product. Everything you need to know: the fitting, the burrs, the techniques, what kind of paste you need to use, what you need to look for to have a successful fitting grill. Everything is included into the course. If you have any questions, you will have direct contact to myself. I will explain to you more in detail if you need more help with anything regarding the Gold Grillz course. So as you can see, the course is structured in such a way that will walk you through from start to finish and will help you develop those skills, how to make the best gold grills, any type of gold grills out there. Regarding the materials and tools and equipment, you don't need to buy everything from the start, so you can buy as you progress through the course. If you're a jeweler, if you're a dental technician, you might already have access to a lot of these equipments, from, let's say, furnaces or casting machines or different types of burrs and polishing techniques. So you can use that to your advantage, but have the course to develop your skills so you can start your own business, or you want to get employed having a job as a grills maker. If you require more information before you start, you can use the contact link on our website to send us an email and we will reply to you as soon as possible. When you're ready, you can pick your course and your grill making journey will start immediately. So let's begin.